Yesterday we passed an account. Last week we passed an account. So, this is live. So I'm just waiting for the markets to open in 3 minutes in New York. And then I'm either going to make a trade on NASDAQ or US30. First ever trade, come on, smack some peas, fam, come on. Always lose a shit ton, but anyway. So here we are, here is the first ever trade. It's moving. Fucking idiot. So that's 200 baht. Oh, no, it's reversing. Of course it is. Yeah, mate. Big. So tomorrow we'll lower the risk and we'll just chill out a bit here. That's the plan. Yo, boys, welcome back to day 32. Basically, just another day of me trading at this point. Let's be honest. But yo, in this video, you're going to see me do London session again, just like yesterday's video. You're also going to see New York session today. Come on, the fucking boys. If you're not ready, sub the fuck up. And if you don't know what's Wagwan, yesterday we passed an account. Last week we passed an account. And today, you'll see what the fuck happens. So let's get into it, boys. Keep it moving. Love every single fucking one here. So the first trade here that you're about to watch is from January the 6th, Tuesday, 2026, right? This is today. This is a London session. I've just got out of bed. I'm fucked. And I'm looking at NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ. MNQ. And I'm looking to pass a funded account in one trade. The same as I did yesterday, right? Just for context. So look, boys, I just got out of bed. And here we are marking up charts. I trade breakouts for those that don't know. This is breakouts at market open. As you can see here, market open straight away went for sells. Now, I don't want to be too aggressive. I wasn't even logged in, so I'm literally logging in. When this happens, I'll move my support or resistance lines if it's too aggressive. So what I do now, you see here, is wicked out. Okay. Now I'm finding something that's just below the wick. That way I just avoid fake outs. That way I also just find a lot of confidence within the trade that I actually get into. So this is what I'm doing here. Now, obviously, because I'm passing this account in one trade, I'm slapping on 40 micros on this MNQ trade. Now I have to hit 1 to 3, so hence why. Now, order filled. So here we are, boys. Another day, another dollar. Trying to collect another winning day and pass another account on Apex. With 1,000, we need to hit 3k. So I'm going for a 1 to 3 today, hoping to pass the account. Literally all the valuations are 90% off right now, which is fucked. So you can get a 300k funded account for $20. I got this 50k for $20 and I bought 10 of them, right? Bought 10 of them bitches. So essentially on this trade, I'm risking $20, less than $20, 1960. 50k account, profit goes $3,000, right? It's minor though, because I'm just going to do one a day because it costs me $20. I can just, you know what I mean? On the 15, it's very clear what it's bounced off of. As you can see, this area, this zone here, it's just bounced straight off of it, but we'll hold it out nevertheless. Literally just got out of bed fucking 2 minutes ago, bro. So there's a 1 or 2, but we need a 1 to 3. Alright, come on. Come on. Getting ready. Come on. There we go, there we go. Come on, another push, another push, another push. Come on, another push. 2,900. Free K. Boom. Passed another fucking account now, that's what I'm talking about. Jeez. That shit's flying. Come on, the boys. You're mad. Two days in a row? Bro, that's what I'm talking about. 2 days in a fucking row, boys. If you want to be able to do what I've just done 2 days in a row, past 2 50k accounts. So look, I bought 10 accounts doing exactly what I'm about to show you. And the reason why is because if you come here, now we're gonna click on Trade of It. You want to come down to whatever account you want, right? let's use 50K. Everyone knows about 50Ks, right? So as you can see here with Apex, 50K account, usually $196. Now watch how you get it for less than $20. Watch this, watch this. Boom. Tick, credit card. Now this is the part where you have to listen. You have to use the code LOCK-IN. You type in just like this. Lock, right? In. Lock the fuck in. Exactly like that. You're going to put it in here, right? Then you take this box here. Then we're going to click next. Boom. Right here, you see, was once $196. Now $19.60. Are you fucking dumb, bro? I'm telling you, boys, if you weren't already, go do this. This is the maddest, cheapest, quickest way to pass an account. One trade, you've just watched me do it. You've literally just watched me pass an account in one trade. Not only today, but yesterday as well. I've done it 2 days in a row now, and it's cost me less than $40 fucking dollars to become 100K funded. Are you mad? Right? Boom. It's going to cost you $60 to activate the account once passed. And the crazy thing is it's not recurring, meaning you only pay $60 one time forever, lifetime. You get me? You take up on this offer, you buy 5, you buy 10, you buy however fucking many you want. You have that lifetime offer where you're not paying monthly recurring. So for example, let's say you buy 10 accounts, let's say you pass all 10 accounts. If you then pay $60, with most prop firms, you're going to be paying $60 times 10 every single month. That's $600 a month, bro. You do this one time and you're done. However many you buy. Same thing for 300K. You want a 300K? 300K, 35 contracts, usually $200, right? Take this box, credit card, coupon code, same thing again, lock in. Exactly the same. Lock in, boys. Lock the fuck in. 300K account, 35 contracts, trade of it. $19.60. Does that say $19.60 for a fucking $300,000 account? Yes, it does. Now, boys, if you don't want to take this opportunity, like I say, the offer it literally runs out in less than 10 hours of me filming this. But with this code, you'll be allowed a few extra days. I'm not too sure. Just try it. Just fucking go and try it. If you don't believe it, go see it for yourself. And guess what? I'm going to go do the same thing again tomorrow. And the same thing after that. And I'm just going to stack these accounts, bro. Watch. And then when they're all running at the same time, we'll be taking fat fucking payouts. Watch. Don't say I didn't tell you so. So here's the setup today, boys. I've got YM on the right and I've got NASDAQ on the left. This is for futures. This is for Apex. And then also I've got NASDAQ on the right for Top Step. We potentially will look at YM as well. But here's how we're looking at a minute. And we got the stream here. So boom. Boom. So we're in the room now. All these fuckers are in here as well. Now, if you want to join this room for free, click below. P&L on screen, everything shown on screen, entries, everything, exits, boom. Sick, man. Like I say, boys, I really don't fucking recommend something if I don't believe in it. And my man's helped me so much right now, but yeah, let's get into it.
YM or NQ, guys?
Right, market's just opened. The fuck is my mouse going? Oh.
That's a good buy right there.
Yeah, click buy.
Buy. Place, and it's not placed it for me. It's not done it again. For fuck's sake, I swear down, yeah. Right, boys, so I don't know what the issue was here. I took a buy on NASDAQ. No one else, I don't believe anyone else took a buy at this point. AJ himself, he was looking at YM, I believe. But I took a buy on NASDAQ. And for some reason, Top Step just fucking delays the entry and didn't actually enter the fucking buy. But anyway, weird. I don't know if anyone else is having this issue, but I had my girlfriend sat here next to me as well on the floor. And it was working fine for her, but so annoying.
Order filled.
Why is it not working?
Order filled.
Whoa,
No.
it's just entered fucking...
I got into NQ.
Fuck's sake. I'm about to play it.
Yeah. I got into NQ pretty late.
I'm about to blow my account because of that. Just blow my account.
Yeah, that's how I didn't get in. I'm a little sketched. I'm waiting for YM. I want sells on YM just to fill that gap. A pretty nasty gap, you know. I mean, longs may work out on NQ. They may work out. But alright, if it keeps pushing up, we'll take buys too. Because if NQ's pushing, just just want to.
Yeah, if we lose 250. I need to get fucking selling 5 of these, though, shit.
Order filled.
There we go, sell. Alright, boys, so whilst NASDAQ were doing some bullshit, so I was watching YM on the left on my monitor as well, and I actually take a buy on YM at the same time, but this is on my Apex accounts, doing the same thing, trying to pass another 50k account on the New York session, because I passed one in the London, now I'm trying to pass another one on New York. So this is what I do. Just bought New York. So here we are in YM, boys. Long in YM, boys.
See if she plays out today. Today. 35.
And then tops that. NASDAQ.
Price is a little funky.
Why is it being such bullshit, man?
Order filled.
Took hell. I lost. I'm still in this YM trade though on my other accounts.
What was that? How much did we get out for the loss? I exited, guys. It's a loss. It's at the stop. Look at the account balance real quick. 49,952. Let's wait and see if there's a second trade opportunity. That was a nasty big out.
So as you can see here, by the graces of God, fuck knows how I didn't get stopped out, right? Well, I guess I didn't have a hard stop on, but so close to me having to exit. Look at that. Like, what the fuck? I had a slight earlier entry than I guess most people in the group, including AJ and other people and other lads. So I'm really fucking lucky here, but I've seen a lot of people that I follow that got taken out of this trade, unfortunately, but I guess I just had a very early and very snappy entry today, so this was lucky, I'll be honest. I'm on Apex. Now we have to hit 3k and we're currently up 2 bags. So we got 1 to 3 one more time. Same thing I did this morning on London session. If we hit that 1 to 3, we will pass this 50k account as well. Almost at 2.5. 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, 3k. Fucking pass that fucking account as well. There we go. Come on. Come on. Right, boys, so there's a positive outcome. We got another account. So London session this morning, I got a 1 to 3 on London, on NASDAQ. Now, again, same thing with YM. Obviously, NASDAQ on Top Step didn't play out. So that's 2 accounts passed today. 1 passed yesterday. 1 passed last week. We're actually on fire, to be fair.
How many of you guys are in here from Brandon? I got to assume at least like 40 people.
Come on, the boys. Come on, the boys.
50, yeah.
Jeez, who's Brandon?
I saw from his.
Man, come on, boys. And that's it right there, boys. Another account secured. Well, 2 accounts secured today. Come on, the boys. Yo, London session, I traded that by myself. London session, if you already know, that was my bread and butter last year. That's how I transformed as a trader last year. So I'm going to continue doing that. I think I'm going to pass the Apex accounts for London session. I'm going to trade live with London. And then for New York, I'm going to continue trading with the Top Step accounts and then go on to Tradify accounts. I'm probably going to get the Lightning accounts, which is the instant funded, once I get a first payout, and that'll also then double my funded balance. So all the links are below. If you want all that shit, you want to join AJ in the live training room, everything's in the description. Besides that, boys, do something good for someone today. Fucking just casually falling over and shit. But yeah, boys, it's been mad. This has been the first ever year. But yeah, boys, it has been mad. This has been a full year. So we're back to, a year ago I took my first ever trade, boys. My first ever trade was taken, my first ever trade was taken a year ago today. And we've just passed 2 accounts. $100,000 in a day, like, funded is crazy. So I'm gonna go for another account or 2 tomorrow as well. So I'll see what happens. But bless, man, it's been a fucking up and down roller coaster. Right now, my plan is just acquiring a capital, and then once all set, then I'm going to start to collect some fucking cash. That's the plan. Boys, love every single one of you, man, that are rocking with me, on the journey with me. I'm so grateful that I can make these videos and you guys just fucking watch them and shit, like, and supporting the journey, and fucking big up to all. My girlfriend got me a Stanley Cup, hold tight. But yeah, boys, it's actually mad. I'm going to do a few more videos this week. a little bit different. I'm going to do a video on my goals, shit I've learned to share, and yeah, man, blessed, honestly, thank you.